Making English your own, understanding possessive pronouns. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are key to mastering English because they help us show ownership and relationships between things and people. And they can also be used to replace nouns. So, let's get started. Before we delve into their use, it's crucial to understand what possessive pronouns are. These are words like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. They show who or what something belongs to and can stand alone, unlike possessive determiners, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, which always have to be followed by a noun. For example, this book is mine. The choice is yours. The house over there is theirs. One of the primary functions of possessive pronouns is to replace nouns to avoid repetition and make sentences smoother. Imagine having to repeat the same noun again and again. It would sound pretty redundant, right? Here's an example. Instead of saying, "This is John's book," not Mary's book, you could say, "This is John's book," not Mary's. In the second part of the sentence, book is implied, so we don't need to repeat it. Mary's what? Mary's book. So we use the possessive pronoun, hers. While possessive pronouns are a useful tool, they're also a common area of confusion. It's important to remember that possessive pronouns do not require an apostrophe. It can be tempting to write hers or yours, especially because we use an apostrophe to show possession with individual names, like John's book. However, with possessive pronouns, this is not the case. Always write hers, yours, its, ours, and theirs, without an apostrophe. And that wraps up our lesson on possessive pronouns. Remember, they're not just about showing possession, but they're also about making our language smoother and avoiding unnecessary repetition. Keep practicing, and soon enough, using possessive pronouns will become second nature to you. Thank you for joining me on this language learning journey. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next lesson, and keep striving to make English your own.